You know, this is my family's business. We've been here since, or they've been here since 1960. I was born in 70, but I literally grew up with cars, seeing thousands upon thousands of cars. This would be in my top 5 favorite of all time. This is the nicest 57 Ford convertible in existence. The colors, the Dusk Rose with the Mocha, every option restored by Jerry Miller Classics. He is the guy for restoring 57 to 59 Fairlanes. It is nut and bolt redone. Incredible car. I'm going to tell you all about it. It's going to be my pleasure. So kick back and enjoy this video. Go to volocars.com if you want to see all 200 cars that we have for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new videos are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this came in and my father grabbed it, went straight to his garage. So we've owned it for a little while before putting it up for sale. Just an absolute killer car. The fit and finishes are amazing. The hood is absolutely square. I mean, the gaps are like a Mercedes. This is all straight, beautiful, clean metal. These are factory colors. That's Dusk Rose with Mocha. This is actually a metallic, like chocolatey brown color. All straight, square, flush. I mean, straight as a laser beam. All the panels line up beautifully. It's absolutely straight. I don't see any bubbling, cracking, bodywork showing. I don't find anything like that. All the body and paint is beautiful. It's polished like glass. Look at the reflection of my hand. It's literally a mirror. Absolutely beautiful, all clean. Look at the nice body lines. Look at the door gaps, square, flush. The jambs are painted just as slick. Everywhere you look. I laid on the floor and looked up under the dash. It's all brand new under there too. The latches, you can look down inside, everywhere. It's like brand new. But not only is the condition amazing, again, look up Jerry Miller Classic Cars. He is the guy for these cars. But the colors again are amazing and it's loaded with every option. You see the V bar up front here, this is an option. And everything up here was redone. These right here, the bumper guards, that's an option. The stainless moldings on the side is polished like chrome. It has the gold anodized trim in there, that's pristine. Dual spotlights, which go all the way to the interior and the mirrors on the back of them. That's very cool. Rocker moldings with the stone guard, that's an option. This is a factory air conditioned car, so it has this tag right here, air conditioned. All new glass, all the trim, the vent window frames, all of it, the seals, all replaced and all fits right. It's all done right. The convertible top, I almost put it up. I almost like it as much with the top up. It's a the dark chocolate brown cloth top, very rich looking. It matches the brown perfectly, and it's the cloth top and just rich. Has a continental kit, has reverse lights, has the exhaust tips. It has the antenna off the trunk. Also, the continental kit is fully wrapped in metal trim, and it has the extra chrome trim on it. Well, it's a deluxe continental kit. Then, of course, it has the wire wheels, the Kelsey Hayes wire wheels with radial white wall tires. So this thing is absolutely decked out, absolutely gorgeous, pristine condition. Let's continue the tour inside. So the rim inside the Continental kit is restored, and there's a reproduction white wall tire. You can't fit a big radial tire in here, but the tire was replaced with a reproduction. Inside here, I've already opened this, completely redone. Look at underneath there, the latch, the hardware, the weather strip, the jamb, all beautiful. The entire inside is painted this beautiful dusk rose. Has another spare tire right here, the painted rim, the jack assembly all restored. Has the new well liner, the plaid mat. Here's a show board that goes with it, a shop manual, and a little bag to put the top boots in if you take that off. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click that bell icon. You'll be notified when the new videos are posted. Really excited about this car. Look at those jambs. Painted slick as can be. Again, every nook and cranny you look at, this car is going to be beautiful. The weather strips are replaced. The inside trim was repainted. Door panels replaced. And check that out. It has power windows. Another option. The padded dash is an option. And look at how everything is redone. There's just under 1,800 miles since the car was done about 10 years ago. It looks like it was done yesterday. But all the chrome, the knobs, the lenses, everything is excellent. This radio is converted to FM. We were just listening to some good music. The quartz movement and the clock. Here's the handle for the spotlights. Again, all the trim is repainted. The jambs are slick. The welting's replaced. Kick panels replaced. All new carpet with matching embroidered mats. The upholstery is the same, matching pink and brown, and it matches the outside dead on. And it's a power seat. Very cool. Something you don't see. There's floor mats in the back, completely restored. Power windows, the boot, all that is redone. It has padded visors. I think there was another option versus the flat visors. And I thought that might be a day and night mirror, but maybe not. But that's like new. The steering wheel is all restored. Of course, it's a power top. Optional light under the dash has a switch. That's another option. So now you see why I like this car so much. Now look at the engine compartment. It's very obvious. Every single little thing was restored. That's the 312 engine, 245 horsepower. There's a 4-barrel. Look how it's all detailed, painted. Has the finned valve covers. It's correct that it says Thunderbird because there's a Thunderbird engine. That's the way when you got the optional 312. It has power steering, has power brakes as well. And you got a peek of the suspension, all redone. All the wiring, everything's painted, everything's restored. If you come over to this side, it's a factory air conditioning system that works. Look at the correct stickers put back on everything. This is absolutely beautifully restored. And if you could take another second, I forgot to mention, I've never seen this before, but the air conditioning comes out the vents right at the windshield. There's levers on both sides to control it. I've never seen that before. I'm sure it's extremely rare. All right, Michael's going to take you for a ride, and we'll see you in a few minutes.
Alright everybody, got an absolute sweetheart here today. I am very excited. The top is down and it's time to go for a cruise. I know Jay talks about the body and everything like that, but the color combination on this one, come on now guys. This is such an attractive paint job that they put on here, and the interior paint scheme to match. I've never seen one quite like it before, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So anyway, 312 underneath the hood, V8, runs absolutely fantastic. It started with ease. I've started like 4 times this morning already. Seems to run out just fine. Really nice frame off rotisserie restoration on this one. That's a professional restoration too. It really does show. This one just oozes quality. Absolutely in love. Power steering, power brakes, power windows, power top, power seat, dual spotlights, continental kit. Let's see what she's got. This one's got it all. like that up to 60 miles an hour. Man, what a great car. So much fun to be had in this one, and you can look so dang cool when you do it. I'm a huge fan. That was with the air conditioning on, factory AC car too, guys. It is blowing cold, nice and cold through here too, so top notch all the way around, no disappointments at all. Come down, test drive it for yourself. Just give us about a day's notice because all the cars are located in the museum environment. And yeah, other than that, check out all the details on our website at volocars.com.
So underneath the car, it was full frame off restoration. Every single component down to the smallest clip has been replaced, restored. So the whole underbody is painted Dusk Rose, and it's as nice as this. The entire chassis is painted black and completely rebuilt steering, suspension, brakes, and everything related to it. The brake lines, the e-brake cables, the fuel system, the tank, all replaced. The dual factory type, dual exhaust systems all replaced. You look up at the motor, it's still super clean, and all the components, the starter, the Cruise-O-Matic transmission, all of that's been redone. It's all clean. The rear end is restored. So it's as new underneath as it is on top. What a stunning car. This is a rare opportunity to get something that's just amazing. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen will help answer your questions, including how to get the world's best 57 Ford delivered to your driveway. If you need help with financing, they can assist with that too. Thanks for watching.